Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to remove a CV axle from your car. Now these tools are free rental tools from Autozone. We have a CV joint axle puller and adapter, that's part number 1040 from CTA. And we also have this OEM tool, part number 57033. And this is what this looks like. This goes behind the CV axle. And you thread the slide hammer on this and you whack it out. And this is what the slide hammer looks like. And this threads over here. And you jerk this back and forth until it pops out. Now you slide this in from behind. Just like that. Now you take a slide hammer and insert it in the hole. And thread it. She's in, baby!
Oh yeah, get it in!
Whoa, camera girl, relax. Holy cow. There's a time and place for that, camera girl.
Oh, sorry.
And if you, of course, if you need more leverage to turn this, you just use this handle over here to turn it. Now we're in a pretty good spot here. Now all you gotta do is yank it back like this, and it should pop right out. Make sure you're behind the axle, and go ahead. We're out! Woo! Let it drop just like that and let all the fluid come right on the floor.
Yeah.
So there's a little C-clip back here that holds it in place. So what you're doing is you're going behind this just like that and yanking it out. So that's how you use a CV axle puller. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me and share me. See ya!